Well, it's a beautiful evening tonight, and I just finished mowing and trimming the flowers and deadheading, and look who stopped by to pay us a visit. Mr. Rabbit. He has been laying in that spot for quite some time. I've been watching him from up on the deck, and he was laying under the chair and just enjoying laying in the grass. So let's take a quick walk around and look at all the beautiful things in bloom right now in August. That's another hydrangea in the back there. That's the Proven Winners phlox, but the rabbit does like that. Mr. Rabbit enjoys that. So I have to put a wire around that because he'll chew all those off. And he's getting so tame, you guys. Look at this. Look how close he is to me. He's probably within 3 foot, 4 foot maybe. And he doesn't seem too afraid. The bees are happy on the salvia. And if I recall, I think this is the New Dimension salvia. All kinds of bumblebees on it. And I talked about this in another video. That's the Olivia Austin, and she's put on a lot of growth. This is her second season. And you can't really see it behind the urns. The urns are hiding some of the flowers back here, but let's do a peek over the top. I've got some pink knockout roses, another cleome in the back that was a volunteer, or maybe I planted some seed there. I think I planted some seed that I gathered from last year, and that's a lavender one. In the back there, crawling up the fence, is a volunteer supertunia. In the corner, there's a quick fab hydrangea. You can see the pretty echina, the coneflower blooming. That's I think the cherry coneflower. And there's Winchester Cathedral David Austin rose. It's gotten really tall this year, and it's its second season also. In the back there's a red knockout rose. I'm not sure what this is back here, but we'll find out real quickly, because whatever it is, it's getting ready to bloom. I've left it hoping that it's not a weed, but it is pretty massive, as you can see. So I'll be interested to see what that is, because I don't know. It almost looks like a thistle though, the leaves. So I could be dealing with a weed that I end up having to pull out. But it's growing nicely. The roses back there are doing really well. Between the salvia and the little quick fire back by the little girl statue, the Champagne Wishes rose. I've got that Perfume Breeze rose that right now is putting buds back on it, back on the trellis, but not blooming again. And then the Eden, I think it's pretty in pink, the dark pink Eden rose, the climber, is just getting ready to do its second blooms. And I have one down here that just opened up the other day. It looks gorgeous. A planter with all the supertunias in it is doing really well still. And of course the garden house windows boxes are doing really well. I did clean them up tonight though. Some of the petunias in them weren't looking as well. So I did give the front two a pretty good haircut. But had I not said anything, I don't think you would have even noticed. Oh, and down in front of the windows, down on the ground, is where I put from the plant haul I planted the 2 little boxwood. So I'll have one on each side of the doors mirroring the garden house. And then this little area is doing well also. That rose there has it's grown so much, and this is all new this season, so it's only been in the ground for a few weeks. You can see the gorgeous window boxes with all the petunias and verbena, potato vine, and this one's putting on a show. It's blooming more than the other one. The other one's getting taller on the other side, and this one's putting on more blooms. But very pretty. So I just had to take you on a quick tour through the back garden. It's looking beautiful. Enjoying it very much this summer. Mr. Rabbit seems to be enjoying it very much this summer.